Welcome back to Basics, here at Boundary Forward. Today we're focusing on the F-150. Today we're walking through how to boost your battery. Step 1, you're going to open your driver's door. Just down here on the left side, you're going to find your hood release latch. You're just going to go ahead and give it a pull. Once your hood is popped, you're going to go ahead and feel under here for your hood release latch number 2. Next step, you're going to find your battery. On your battery here, you're going to find a positive post and negative post. Positive post is usually indicated by a red cap here, typically with a plus sign, and your ground is just located right here. You're going to want to go ahead and connect your positive to positive and your negative to your negative. You can just go ahead and start your vehicle right up. Once your vehicle is running, you're going to go ahead and disconnect the cables. You're going to disconnect your negative first and your positive last. Thanks for watching Back to Basics. Now you know how to boost your F-150.